I can run and run, and I'm having lots of fun. I can run, can you? I can jump, I can jump, I can jump and run.
I can't jump high. You cannot cook Italian food. He cannot play snooker. She can't drive. We cannot sing. They can't speak Japanese.
Can I draw on your sketchbook? Yeah, sure. Can you help me draw a lion? Nope, I'm super duper busy.
Verbs we use to make requests. Can and could are two of them. Could is more polite than can, but adding please to any request makes it more polite. Unlike other modal verbs for requests, we can use both you and I after can and could. Can you help me with my homework? Can I borrow your car? Could you lend me a hand? Could I speak to your manager?